guys! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng maha blanca. Una, ilagay natin yung 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. Pagkatapos, i-mekos-mekos natin hanggang sa lumapot. Mekos-mekos lang. Continue lang guys. And then, iset aside siya pagkatapos mamekos-mekos. Then, ilagay yung 4 cups of coconut milk. Pagkatapos, yung creamy corn. And then, yung evaporated milk. Then, imekos-mekos ulit. Ayun na, imekos-mekos. After, yung condensed milk. Then, imekos-mekos ulit guys. Yan, imekos-mekos. I-mix-mix. Tilawan after mamekos. Kung kailangan pa ba, i-add ng sugar. And then, iluluto na natin sa medium heat. Wait until 5 minutes. Pag mabukal na, ibutang ang corn. And then, mekos-mekos ulit. Then, ilagay yung sinet aside natin na cornstarch. Dissolved cornstarch. Then, i-mix-mix. Yan lang guys. Bye! Charan!